Next in Java, we are going to do arithmetic calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on the values which we will be taking input from user. So this is our demo package, demo 6 package, and this is our main class. And here I'm creating one more class whose name I'm giving here is 2. And within this class, I'm declaring 3 instance variable A, B, and C. These are 3 instance variable. Now I'm creating one method whose return type is void, and name of that method is add, and this method is going to take two integer arguments, integer x and integer y. And here within this method I'm doing a equals to, I'm assigning value to a, that is a is instance variable and x is local variable. So a equals to x, b equals to y, and c equals to a plus b. So here we have done addition. Same way we are going to do subtraction. So here we are changing the name of method, that is sub, and here c equals to a minus b. Next we are doing multiplication. So name of method is multi, and here c equals to a multiplied by b. And last one is for division. Name of method is div, and here it is going to be a, c equals to a divided by b, and here c is going to hold quotient. And in the last we are going to create one more method whose return type is void, and name of that method is result, and this method is not taking any argument, and here we are printing value of a, b, and c. C is holding the result. Here we can give a message as well, a equals to within double quotes plus a. Same way we can print b, b equals to, and here we are printing b, and in the and result. Result equals to, and here we have to print c. As we are taking, so here we have completed all the methods, and now we'll go to main method. Here in main method, first of all we are going to create object of that class. So 201 equals to new 2. So O1 is our object. As we are going to take input from user, so here we have to import two classes, buffer reader and input stream reader. Now here in main method I'm declaring two variables, a and b. Now we have to create object of buffer reader class, buffer reader br equals to new buffer reader within bracket new input stream reader within bracket system.in. Now here this try, we are going to take input from user, and here we are giving a message, enter the first number. And a equals to integer dot parse int within bracket br dot readline. We have taken input of first number, same way we are going to take input of second number. Here it will be b. Now outside try we have to give catch, exception e, and here we can give any message. Save it. Now here within try we have to give method call. So we have created one object, that is o1. o1 dot, here first method we are calling is add. Here there is automatically a and b. Now with add o1 dot result to get the result of that addition. Save it and run it. Here we have made mistake, no semicolon, and here also semicolon. Save it and run it. So enter the first number, I'm giving here 5, and enter the second number, I'm giving here 4. So a equals to 5, b equals to 4, and result is 9. We have called add method. Similarly, if we call o1 dot subtract, and again we have to call o1 dot result to display result of the subtraction. Then we'll call o1 dot multi, and again then o1 dot result, and in the and o1 dot diff, and after that to display the result of diff, o1 dot result. Save it and run it. And the first number here I'm giving 6. I record, okay, I haven't given number to. Save it and run it again. And the first number here I'm giving 6. And the second number here it is 4. So on these two number it will calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition is 10, 6 plus 4. Subtraction is 6 minus 4, 2. Multiplication 24, and in the and division 1. And here it is giving us quotient. So how it is working? Here in the main method we have taken input of input into variables a and b, and here we have given method call. It is calling add method. After getting this method call, it will go here to the add method and will do addition of these two numbers. But here we are not printing that number. Here for that we have created separate method in which we are printing the value of a, b, and along with that result, which is in C. After that we are calling o1 dot result, which is going to call this method, and this method is going to print value of a, b, and result. Result can be at either addition if we have performed addition, if we have performed subtraction, it will be subtraction, like that. Next we are calling o1 dot subtraction and o1 dot result. So o1 dot, after meeting this method call, it will go to subtraction method, it will do subtraction, and result will be printed through this method. Then it is calling o1 dot multiplication along with o1 dot result. Again it will go to o1 to this multiplication method, it will do multiplication, and after that it is going to print this result. And in the last, it is we are calling o1 dot div, which will take a control to div method, and it will do division, and after that it is going to print result.